Hello guys, welcome to Ask MBA. In this video we will try to learn how to tackle problem based on one of the most important topic as far as your CAT exam is concerned, that is mensuration. So I have already taken one of the question from your CAT 2009. We'll try to solve, we'll try to understand the mechanism and try to tackle the problem based on this kind of topics. So before this, I want you guys to stop this video, read the question carefully and try to solve it. Otherwise, anyways, I am going to solve it on your board for you. Now let us see what this question has to say. A blacksmith has a rectangular sheet of iron. He has to make a cylindrical vessel using iron sheet with both ends closed. Alright. When he minimizes the wastage, what is the ratio of wastage to the utilized part of iron sheet? As in many videos that I have previously posted, I have already told you how to approach a question of CAT exam, right? Just directly jumping into the question is not going to help you. Try to understand what is actually asked. So in the last line, if you read carefully, you will see what is the ratio of wastage to the utilized part of iron sheet. As you can understand, they are asking us to find out ratio between wastage part to the used part. Now let us try to understand this question using diagram. He has this kind of rectangular sheet. Now he has to make a cylindrical vessel using this iron sheet with both ends closed. Now, so this is how I will cut a circle from a rectangular sheet. So this is the part which will be your wastage, right? This is how we will cut this two circle, keeping in mind that I have to minimize the wastage. This is your wastage, right? So far we have top and bottom. What else I need? I need a height for this, right? So I'll cut it from here. So for now let us assume that I'm taking a circle of radius r. So both the circle will be equal as the radius are equal. Let us understand what we need. I need a wastage part and a utilized part. So let us try to calculate the area of utilized part, which is two circle, and the part which is coming in between these two circle. So as we have assumed the radius of this circle is r, so the diameter will be 2r, right? So if this is the diameter which is equal to the one of the side of this entire your rectangle sheet, this is also will be equal to 2r, right? So in this case, this will be also equal to 2r. How? Because this, the part of this rectangle side will be also equal to the diameter of the circle. That is why these sides will be equal and will be equal to 2r. Similarly for this circle, 2r and 2r. So ये जो part रहेगा आपका, this side I am talking about, this will be converted to the perimeter of the circle. And the perimeter, we know what we call a perimeter of a circle is circumference, and we know the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, right? So what I am trying to say is, ये जो आपका side है, this is nothing but the circumference of your circle, which will be equal to 2 pi r. I hope you are getting my point. So now you can see, now you can clearly see we have the entire length for this rectangular sheet and breadth for the rectangular sheet. Now what we are going to find out, the ratio between wastage and the utilized area. So anyways, this r is going to cancel out. Let us put r is equal to 1 through our assumptions. Again I am telling you, this is not important to put r equal to 1, just to make the calculation simpler. That's what I am going to use this r is equal to 1. Alright, calculate what we need. I need utilized area, that is 2 circle, 2 pi r square, plus area of the middle part, that is 2 pi r into 2r, 2 pi r into 2r. So this is your utilized area. So after putting value of r, what I will get? 2 pi r is 1, so 1 square is 1, so I am not going to write it. plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 4 pi, that is 4 pi. So what I will have? 6 pi. So 2 pi plus 4 pi is equal to 6 pi. So how to get wastage? Wastage will be a total area minus utilized area. So I need to find out total area. 2r plus 2r, that is 4r plus 2 pi r. This is your length into breadth. So just put the value of r equal to 1. Again, this r is equal to 1 is not given in the question. We have assumed the value of r just to reduce the complications. So after putting value of r, what I will get? 8 plus 4 pi, right? This is how, after multiplying this two inside the bracket, I'll get 8 plus 4 pi. This is your rectangular area. Now the area of wastage, what we need to do? We need to subtract your used area from rectangular area. Rectangular area is 8 plus 4 pi minus 6 pi. So this will get us to 8 minus 2 pi. Now just put these all things together. Ratio, that is wastage to used area, is equal to, wastage is 8 minus 2 pi, utilized is 6 pi. Just put the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. So I'll put it here, 8 minus 2 into 22 by 7 divided by 6 into 22 by 7, right? So after simplifying, you will get 1:11, that is wastage is to utilized area. So in next video, I will come up with something new which will be helpful for your CAT preparation. Now after you are done with your CAT exam, we have MBA CET to look for, right? MBA CET के लिए we have launched MBA CET batch starting from this month only. So if you are guys interested, please join. Using this code, you will get 10% directly off if you are joining with this coupon code. Guys, in the next video, till then, thank you.